A lot of people wrestle to decide how they want to sleep every night. Research shows that just about everyone has a different mind about the best way to sleep. About 47% of Americans sleep in the fetal position, which is known to be the most common form of sleep, according to the Better Sleep Council. At the same time, 17% prefer to sleep on their stomach. Another 13% sleep on their sides, with their arms stretched outward, while 11% sleep laying flat on their back. That's a lot of variation. But the research tells us we're all getting it incorrect when it comes to sleeping correctly. A bulk of research and expert opinions propose that sleeping lying on your back might be the best method for sleeping. But, at the same time, sleeping on one specific side can also yield massive benefits. When it comes to sleeping on your sides, back and stomach, here's what the science says is best. Avoid the right side. It's probably not going to be the best idea, particularly for your heart, according to sleep specialist. Blood flows throughout your body and in time returns to the heart on the right side. But when you go to sleep on your right side, the pressure of your body smashes up against the blood vessels that return to your heart. For the moment, sleeping on your left side with your right side not squished is presumed to potentially increase blood flow back to your heart. Have acid reflux? Try out the left side. It turns out that sleeping your left side could lessen the chances of suffering heartburn. A recent study found that those who slept on their left side were less likely to suffer heartburn problems. Back is still the best. In spite of the back and forth debate between the right and left side, research suggests sleeping on your back is the best method for staying healthy while sleeping. Back sleeping is the best selection for pain management, as it lets your body rest in a neutral position, which is excellent for reducing aches. It also helps to cut down on heartburn, as it keeps your head elevated above your chest. Sleeping on your back gives your head, neck, and spine a correct rest throughout the night. When you sleep while facing the ceiling, you will decrease the likelihood of suffering acid reflux. Keep in mind that if you suffer from sleep apnea, experts recommend avoiding the back sleeping position, and instead try going for a side position. Avoid the stomach. Stomach sleepers are likely to put more pressure on their muscles and joints, which can lead to aches, nerve issues, and even numbness. It's hard to narrow down the best method for sleeping. Experts agree that you should keep with whatever sleeping habits work the greatest for you. But, with that said, sleeping on your back looks to be the healthiest method, followed by your left side, then your right one. Just try not to sleep on your stomach if you can. Regardless if you sleep on your side, back or stomach, if you get up feeling refreshed and pain-free, there's probably no reason to stop a habit that's working well for you. But if you're having any of the issues spoken of here, it may be a good idea to experiment with something new.